Hello everyone, myself Mukesh Saini and welcome to my channel Internet of Things Smart Home Technologies. As we know friends, IoT is going to be next generation technology and is going to be a most powerful technological revolution in the world. In the video we will be discussing about the Internet of Things is changing digital market. As we know, IoT connects numerous kinds of devices in our daily lives and the amount of data generated by these devices will flow and transfer. The marketers can leverage this data to create impact insights, identify patterns to capture customer interactions and predict customer behavior and lifestyles. This further helps to envision customers' preference and link it to purchase intent. Let us check out how IoT will impact a digital marketing strategy. So here are the 5 ways IoT changing digital market, that is personalization, quick services, advertising opportunity, analytics and attribution and smart platforms. So let's discuss about personalization. IoT has the capability to unlock customers' lifestyles, that is the action of designing or producing something to meet someone's individual requirement. From alarm clock to coffee makers, booking a cab to office, scheduling your appointments to your fitness trackers, all these devices can provide a staggering amount of data which is not only deep but broad as well. This data can help marketers extract valuable information to provide customers experience. There are endless possibilities of using this data to deliver contextual messages in real time. So the next is quick services. As we know, like today's connected youngsters are always in need for instant easy access to product, services and information when they want and whenever they want. So today's customer expect services the same instant, and even a tiny delay can mean the loss of opportunity. Considering all this, a working professional whose refrigerator is running out of milk, in the future IoT may make the connected fridge to order the milk from the master's favorite store to be delivered at a time when return home from the office. Amazing, isn't it? All this to happen, you would need to connect your devices to the internet, and these devices would be able to exchange information and build a shopping cart for you. You just have to click a button and you are done. So the next, advertising opportunities. Ability to connect any device to the internet offers a very large amount of advertising opportunities, and any object can be used as a channel to engage customers. For instance, your washing machine could advertise for a compatibility detergent powder. Marketers will need to focus on a mix of devices like taps, in-car entertainment systems, smart appliances, etc., to have more opportunities in the market. Analytics and attribution. Here is how we use the data, and as we know, very big amount of data generated by IoT will help in machine learning algorithms, which will increase the capability of predictive analytics. IoT is having more touch points to acquire data and gathering a variety of information by tracking customers, which would enable marketing analytics to identify the types of campaigns the customers are most responsive to, and then can integrate attribution analytics with information from customers' digital footprint, device usage and interactions to understand how a customer reacts to different marketing engagements. IoT offers the capability to follow the complete conversation path across all the touch points and optimize outcomes in real times. The next, smart platforms. As the huge amount of data will be produced by IoT devices, but it is must to completely harnessed to its full potential to prove its usefulness. There will be a need to invest more in developing intelligent technology stacks which can handle a vast amount of data, deliver right messages, and infer and learn from the results. Digital marketing platforms will be able to ingest, analyze, and act a vast data at scale and process, interpret, and evaluate sets in real time. IoT will also influence IoT app development, web dashboards that interview sensors, connected devices, networking, cloud, and analytics. So, IoT apps will become an integral part of mobile phones and could be used as a marketing and advertisement platforms. This is how IoT will be impacting the digital marketing strategy. All said, a major challenge would be to develop a personalized and relevant experience for the customers without being intrusive. Marketers will have more responsibility to design campaigns without compromising on the privacy of the consumers. Informing consumers about the selective use of their data, device authentication, and other security mechanisms will need to be employed to prevent IoT devices from being compromised. So, the Internet of Things IoT is a topic every marketer is talking about presently. As we know, Blaze Automation, Amazon, Samsung, Jio, Google, IBM are the top companies in India working on IoT and making it successful. Example, Amazon Alexa, which is developed by Amazon, Google Home, which is developed by Google, smart home gateways and devices developed by Blaze Automation, which enables you to control everything at home. So the unique fact is that Blaze Automation developed apps connects everything with a single gateway, using which all devices like lighting, ceiling, fans, television, air conditioning, audio devices, video devices, even your front door, garage door, cameras, everything at home which are available and can be used, can be controlled and monitored with the smart home IoT platforms developed by Blaze Automation Services Private Limited. So friends, to know more about IoT, be connected and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. We'll be back very soon again with few more videos.